Toners. What are toners? Why do we even use them? Are they necessary? It's just water. Hi, if you're new here, I'm April. I'm a skincare and cosmetic chemist. I talk about all things skincare, back end, front end of all things skincare. So if you're interested in that, definitely hit that like button for me down below. Subscribe to the channel because we're here every week, every single week, talking about skincare. I'm going to burst all the myths and give you all the truths about toners in this video, whether or not you should invest in a toner, why is a toner even necessary, and even better, I'm going to tell you guys the differences between toners, essences, micellar water, and emulsions, because they all look the same, right? They all look like watery based products. Like, which one should I even get? I got you. So traditionally, toners are used for their astringent properties. That's why a lot of traditional toners have a lot of witch hazel in them, because they help to kind of supplement in treating acne on your skin. Also, they were used for cleansing. So after you were done cleansing, if there were any remaining remnants of makeup or anything on your skin or oil, it helps to take off that makeup. But now in modern days, toners have graduated now to having a lot of actives and also hydrating power. Now toners can range from $6 to $250, and baby, this economy is too hard for that. So now, traditional toners, how does it work? They help to shrink pores, improve impurities and remove dead skin cells, restore pH. So in the past, traditional cleansers would either leave your skin really acidic or really alkaline. When your skin is too acidic, it leaves your skin really inflamed and red. If it's too alkaline, it leaves your skin dry and dehydrated. So toners are formulated to bring that pH back to about 4.5 to 5.5, which is the pH of the skin. But now a lot of products are formulated to the skin pH, so toners are really necessary in that regard. The best ways to use a toner is with either your hands or cotton pad. Think of when you put water on a sponge to wash a dish and you put soap on top, it kind of just sits at the top. Dipping that sponge in water and then putting soap helps the soap to better absorb and you get more foaming power out of that sponge. That's kind of what a toner does. It kind of helps to prep your skin for the penetration of the other skincare products to better absorb into the skin. On days where you have makeup, you can do something called double toning, where you first wipe with a cotton pad and get off all that extra makeup and then use your hand to really get the toner to sit into your skin. Because with the cotton pad, sometimes the toner just absorbs a lot into cotton pad and not much into your skin. Here are some toners I recommend for different skin types. Essence looks almost like a toner. It could be milky, it could be watery, it just depends on the brand. They're used to provide extra hydration. They have high content of active ingredients to boost overall health of skin. They're usually used in tandem with serums to treat fine lines, blemishes, and wrinkles. Micellar water is typically used for cleansing, so these contain high levels, not as high as an actual soap or cleanser, but like medium levels of surfactants to help cleanse the skin. They contain micelles that actively lift oil, dirt, and debris from the skin surface, removing most of it. An emulsion is a milky moisturizer with gel-like consistency. Think of it as a water-based version of moisturizing creams. It's great for oily skin, and also if you have sensitive skin or super oily skin, is an alternative for using thicker moisturizers and facial oils. But yeah, that's it. That's toner really explained. Not super necessary, but if you have it, it doesn't subtract from your skincare routine. I hope you really enjoyed me explaining the rest of the other toner-like products. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel below, and join the family. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye!
It's not for me to say.